This cat got a little nervous and protective when the baby put their hands over the balcony.
Attempt to make this shoe launch off the desk on its own. You ready?
Hairless cats often need lotion in order to protect their skin.
Let's gotta do your stretches. Gotta show you. Oh my god. Pesto chicken pasta?
This guy tossing his cat to go catch a rat. This person has a cat that walks on the same path every day.
Oh, buddy!
This person wanted her dogs to come back inside, but they weren't really listening. The cat saw that they weren't listening and wanted to help out.
Why are you...
What do you think he's going to jail for?
Free the cat! Was hat sie getan? Free the cat! Was hat sie getan? Was hat sie getan?
This guy was kind enough to save a kitten found on the side of the road.
Someone just... Oh no, it's a whole... Oh my gosh! I can't take you all. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, there's more. We got a kitten problem.
This cat was confused when she heard her owner's voice come from a security camera.
What the heck?
If you take a wet toothbrush and pet a cat with it, it supposedly reminds them of getting cleaned by their mother.
Hunter, are you hungry?
This cat grabs food from the automatic feeder as if someone will try and steal it.
No, hey, hey.
This cat was caught doing sit-ups underneath a car. I have never seen a cat drink via Bluetooth before. Imagine losing a game of ring toss to a cat.
No, wait! Go, let go!
I think he can sense that the brain cell is nearby, So he's trying to stay extra still so that he can finally intercept it.
Let's see if Bruce likes cottage cheese. Want some, buddy? Oh.
This cat has trouble understanding how the screen works.
Chega, Ninho. Ninho. Oh, meu Deus, que gato doido é esse, menino?
I just got off work, so don't look up here.
I have never seen someone that loves corn as much as this cat does. This cat just discovered the new security camera that was installed in the house.
Come on.
You got your clutch, you got your brake, you got your throttle, you got your gear lever, AFR gauge, fan switch, steering wheel. You got all that?
Hey! Мы с Тамарой ходим парой, да? Як це мило.
This cat sounds exactly like a squeaky toy. What do you think he's trying to say?
What are you two doing?
I have never seen such a nervous dog before. There's only two types of cats.
Peanut.
Did hers get her cast off? Look, she. Oh, why'd you do that?
You ate a bee this morning. How do you feel? Thank you.
Well, they only turn one once, and we are doing the whole princess theme, but it's gender neutral, of course.
Loves fruit by the foot. Do you want some fruit by the foot?
That's the end of this video. Hopefully you enjoyed this super special cat video that I made, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.